Yeah, so Samsung released the A07 in August 2025 and with just 1,200 Ghana cedis, this is what you get. So straight from the box, you see the Galaxy A07 written on the white box with a 24-hour warranty. Then you get greeted by the SIM ejector tool, of which contain other two peripherals in the box. That is the user manual and the Type-C charger. They didn't include any charging brick for this year, so their current model. This is the user guide. Make sure you read everything to get started or to get the best out of your device anytime you need help. Yeah. And this is the Type-C to Type-C cable for fast charging. You need to get a charger head for that and some certification as well. And the last thing is, of course, the phone itself, the Samsung Galaxy A07. This color is black, but it reflects a lot. I don't know if they have a special name for it though. And so the Galaxy A07 has a 50 megapixel back camera with a 2 megapixel sensor for portrait pictures and videos. And the front also has a 12 megapixel for pictures and videos as well. You can shoot up to 1080p FHD, and you can also zoom in the front camera. You have portrait mode for the front and the back. So here are some pictures and videos I took with the camera. So sit back and judge it by yourself if it's perfect for the price. So the A07 has a 6.7-inch PLS LCD display with an HD plus up to 720 by 1000 pixels. It also has a whopping 90 Hz refresh rate from the LCD display, which gives you great colors and vivid colors, whether you are watching movie videos or even playing games on this smartphone. It's also powered by a One UI 7 MediaTek Helio G99 chipset, making it a bit fast for all. This phone can also get up to 800 nits peak brightness when you are indoors or anytime. It adjusts depending on the weather. Yeah, so this version comes with a 64 gig of ROM with 4 GB of RAM. So if you need extra storage, I recommend you buying 128 gig with 8 gig RAM, and which will cost you an extra 200 or 300 cedis depending on the vendor. Yeah, so you get 5,000 mAh capacity with a 25 watt fast charging, so you should get up to a full day if you are not a heavy user. You have your headphone jack, your Type-C hub, and a powerful speaker for your audio listening, watching movie or playing games. It also has the normal double SIM with an SD card slot, your power brick, you have your volume up and down, and I think the overall look is very nice. You can just get more storage if you're a heavy user, but let me know what you think about this device in the comment below, and I'll see you again in the next video.